Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Demrick Villanueva. I am here to propose my title proposal. The impact of consumer behavior on business success. Introduction. The impact of consumer behavior on business success is undeniable. Businesses that prioritize understanding their consumer, adapting to changing market dynamics, and building meaningful connection are poised for long-term growth and prosperity. By embracing a consumer-centric approach, business can navigate the complex landscape on the modern marketplace, achieve sustainable success, and make a lasting positive impact on both their customers and their communities. According to Sid Imram Zaman 2024, consumer behavior is the method of choosing, buying and using goods and services with on attachment to needs to wants. Now consumers are aware about sustainability. They make purchase decisions according to environment, safety, benefit to the society, and increase economic growth. Independent variables. Consumer demographics. 1.1 age, 1.2 gender, 1.3 income, 1.4 education, 1.5 location. Social and technological influences. 2.1 social media, 2.2 in online reviews. Dependent variables. Business success. Theory. The consumer-centric ecosystem theory. Business success is not just about creating a great product or service, but about building a thriving ecosystem around the consumer. This ecosystem is a dynamic network of interconnected elements that directly impact a consumer's experience and ultimately drive business success. Research design. This study will use a descriptive and correlation research design because this research will examine the impact on consumer behavior on business success in terms of age, gender, income, education, location, followed by the social media and online reviews. Correlation research design allows for the investigation of relationship between variables and using various research methods. Upon gathering feedback from the participants of the study, the researcher will collect the necessary data and interpret it by using a correlation design and further clearly elaborate on the information. Target respondents. The target respondents of the study will only be among grade 11 and grade 12 students of Impasugong National High School who currently enroll in the SY 2024-2025. For selecting the participants in the study, a stratified random sampling technique is used. Each of the students would subsequently be sent a questionnaire to gather data and complete this study. That's all. Thank you.